Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a few things that arrived and I wanted to share with you guys. One of those things are the lights. So now we have some lights in the garage. It makes it a little easier to work on the car, and then also just for filming purposes. And then another thing is something for the CLS 63s. Here are the lights. We bought a pack of 4. They all connect to each other. And then I have an extension cord running to this one here. So unfortunately we don't have any power in this garage, so it's all just temporary. But yeah, it's a pack of 4. They're LEDs. They were, I want to say, $74. So Sunco lighting is what they're called. I bought them on Amazon. Industrial shop light. It's an LED, 400 lumens. They're pretty bright. It's 6K daylight. So if anybody's looking for some budget lighting for a garage or, you know, a shop, I would definitely recommend these. Alright guys, so this package came from ECS Tuning. Let's dig in and see what it's all about. Alright, so there are wheel spacers for the CLS 63. The car is beautiful, but the stands just, I feel like the wheels could just be aligned with the fenders, so that's what I'm trying to do. So I purchased the fronts, which are 10 millimeters, and then the backs are 20. So the backs I'm a little nervous about, and I think that's what we'll start with, just because I'm not sure if I necessarily measured them the right way. So a little nervous about that, but let's see what happens. So 10 millimeters are right here. They're hub centric, they're high quality. You can tell. They have the serial number on the right. It even says made in Germany. They're a brand. I like it. We'll see what the fitment's like. 20 millimeters right here. Oh, so they come with lug nuts, which is good. Let's see. They're a lot bigger. This is what I'm scared of. Hopefully that they fit for the rear and we don't have any fitment issues. So these are definitely high quality. I like them. Alright guys, we got the wheel off. We're ready to go. I know my brake calipers are filthy. The inside of my wheel is filthy and we're gonna clean that, but before we do, I want to test fit the spacer and see if we have clearance and if it's gonna work. So first things first is you want to make sure that you clean the surface right here, so when we put the spacer on, it can sit flush and no debris between it. We're ready to test fit. Let's put it on and see. Beautiful. Alright, put them on. I'm excited. I really hope we have good clearance and it looks good and it's not rubbing anything, so that's my main priority. Come on. All right. So to tighten these, you always want to go crisscross. Beautiful. Now let's put the wheel on and hope we're good. Again, guys, we're taking this off. We're just putting them on for the moment, just to test fit. Let's see what it's gonna look like. All right. Now let's bring it down real slow. That is real close. It is not rubbing. I think that the car got a little confused because we're jacking it, so it's trying to level it out with the air, but let's start it up and have it air up and see what it looks like. dry. Let's put the suspension in sport mode. Alright guys, the install is complete. You see how they're flush with the fender. Look at this other side. Flush with the fender. I did end up cleaning out the wheels. They look nice. It's kind of tough to see. Let's go with this side. Beautiful. It looks good. I had the air suspension completely deflated in the back, and we're getting clearance now. The only problem is the front we could not do. The bolts are just 10 millimeters short, so I have to order those. We'll get them next week and get them installed. Like, comment, subscribe, and we have more stuff coming, guys. Thanks for watching.